Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech accessories to see if they truly deliver. Today, we're taking a closer look at the TechDirect MoCA filter with Weather Seal. A device designed to enhance the security and stability of your home MoCA network while keeping your coaxial connections safe outdoors. So, what exactly is a MoCA filter and why would you need one? If you're using MoCA technology to extend your internet over coaxial cables, this little device is installed at the point where your coaxial cable enters your home. Its main job is to prevent outside signals from entering your home network while keeping your internal MoCA signals strong and interference-free. Essentially, it acts as a gatekeeper for your network, reducing the risk of data leakage and ensuring a more reliable connection for streaming, gaming, and other internet activities. What sets the TechDirect MoCA filter apart is its combination of security and durability. It supports MoCA 2.5, which is the latest standard, and is also compatible with older MoCA versions. So you don't have to worry about compatibility with your existing devices. It works seamlessly with modems, routers, DVRs, and MoCA adapters, making it a versatile addition to almost any home network setup. Another highlight is the built-in Weather Seal. This isn't just a cosmetic feature. It's a fully factory-sealed barrier that protects against rain, snow, and extreme heat. That means you can install this filter outdoors without worrying about moisture damage, which is especially important for homes with external cable entry points. Installation is simple, requiring no special tools. Just mount it where your coax enters your home, and you're good to go. The filter also provides superior signal isolation, meaning it filters out unwanted noise that can affect cable TV, satellite, and internet connections. This leads to cleaner, more stable signals across your home network, reducing buffering or signal drops that can be frustrating during important streaming or gaming sessions. In terms of professional use, this filter is trusted by major cable providers like Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox. It's used by technicians to secure networks and maintain signal quality, which speaks to its reliability and performance. To sum it up, the TechDirect MoCA filter with Weather Seal is a compact yet highly functional device that enhances both the security and stability of your home network. Its compatibility with multiple MoCA versions, easy outdoor installation, and reliable weatherproof design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to protect and optimize their coaxial network. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to secure your MoCA network and maintain clean, stable signals, this filter is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. We'll see you in the next one.